My name's Cory Bonnet. I'm the founder and one of the artists in Patterns of Meaning, a collection of historic steel mill artifacts and contemporary artwork. I've been working with salvage materials in my artwork for years, using them as canvases and inspiration, and then was given access to a huge collection of wooden foundry patterns that I purchased with a scrap metal dealer. And once I got a hold of them and saw the overwhelming quantity that we had to deal with, I then had to figure out how to work with them, exhibit them, and sustain the collection. Patterns of meaning, drawing from the patterns, and this idea that creating gives meaning and purpose to people. So I met Raymond. He's the founder of Cast and Steel, 36 university engineering departments, all in one place. I was invited last year to Cleveland to just kind of show up and check it out. And it was one of the most inspiring events I've ever been to. Students that were all working together to create something from this limited direction. We were doing a very good job of telling the story, bringing it up to date on this idea of where technology has advanced to and how steel manufacturing is at that cutting edge of all of this. They are one of the things that develop new technologies. There's the visual aspect, but when you walk someone through that's worked in the industry, it sparks their memories on it. You get a lot of good questions from young people about how these things work, and it gets their minds moving and thinking about manufacturing.